Hi everyone. My topic of literature review is sentiment analysis on social networks by using NLP and ML techniques. So NLP stands for natural language processing, and ML stands for machine learning. The reason why I want to do this literature review is that I think sentiment analysis can bring a lot of useful applications on social networks. For example, recommender systems. So the very first possible originator is this paper called the sentiment classification using machine learning techniques. It only uses really simple models, for example, n-gram back-of-wall models, and simple features like part of speech. All of them are fed into machine learning algorithms, for example, naive Bayes, maximum entropy, and SVM. Next, I'm going to talk about papers in different groups in terms of different perspectives. For example, supervised versus unsupervised learning. Some papers talk about unsupervised learning, and because they don't have the ground truths, other papers talk about the supervised learning with all the ground truths or label data. Next, the other perspective would be the different scenario of the social networks. For example, Twitter. A lot of people talk about Twitter as the social networks because it is really famous. And others would be the online product reviews. For example, the Amazon or eBay, this kind of e-commerce websites. And also, some other people talk about the financial data. The other perspective would be the extra information source to use to improve performance. These papers use the common sense knowledge for improve the sentiment analysis, and these papers use the semantic features to improve the classification. And then different papers also use different machine learning algorithm. Like all of these papers use the traditional machine learning algorithms like SVM, and other papers use the neural networks or deep learning for the classification. And there are also other perspective of the paper. For example, some of them use the cross-lingual sentiment analysis. Some of them use the latent sentiment scopes to learn the sentiment scores. And so in summary, overall, this is really still really difficult. How to solve that? People either use domain-specific approach or use really powerful learning techniques or use the trade-off with time versus accuracy.